All right, Saturday morning, I got to go install a mini split. And old man Winter, yeah, you got to put the club on in California. They'll steal everything. Old man Winter is back. I think it's going to snow up in the Sierras today. Up in Tahoe and all that stuff, so. Oh, man, look at this. Just a rainy day. So, I'll see if I can get some video up there. Yeah, look, there he is. I'll see if I can get some video up on the job. It's a residential. Squeaky beltitis. Hear that? Yeah, there it went. I got a residential mini split. It's like a little 1-ton, tiny little guy. And it's like an ADU unit. And we'll see how it works out. I don't know if the rain's going to affect my install or not. We'll see when we get to the job site. But I'll try and see if I can film a little bit for you guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to or not, but we'll do our best. Let's get out there. Another air con. This one's gonna sit. Haven't decided where it's gonna sit yet, but I gotta keep that open. And I got that plug there. Thinking the line set's coming through. Here's my bracket. We'll see when we spot the hole and we'll get it all dialed in. I'll take you inside. NorCal does residential. Look out. Yeah, it's like that today. It's gonna sit up there. We got this nice little studio coming together. There's all my parts, my capping. Keep the floor clean. Look how much rain we're getting. This is crazy. I already got my hole spotted. I got this dude prepped and ready. Check it out, the filter's on top now. So they're changing up the design a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, about 30 to the window, from the window. Trying to see where this thing's gonna end up. Get barreled. All right, here's where I'm at. I'm getting all my cladding in. I'm gonna start working on this line set. And then I got my electrical and my communications. Gotta cut down. I had no idea we were gonna get this much rain today. This is insane. But here we go. I'm just gonna come down the back here and then I'm just gonna go this way. without, I mean, that's going to be the end of the cladding. And then that way they still have the washout here. You can get right to it and you can still get to this plug. We got heat. I got it set for 73 because it's raining and chilly out. If you guys don't know, on mini splits in heating mode, it's going to run the outdoor unit till the indoor coil gets warm enough. And there's a delay there before it brings the fan on, and it's going to drop the louver all the way open, wide open for heat. Oh yeah, she's cranking out some nice heat now. That's how that came out. I'll show you guys the outside. All right, here's our outdoor unit in heat mode. That's full heat, cranking. Nice little install done. Another little aircon unit. All right, that was the little install on the aircon mini split, little 1-tonner heat pump. Little things work really well. But getting way more rain than we ever thought. It's pretty good. Usually what happens out here, you get to one point of the year where it just quits raining until the next season. We have like that Mediterranean climate. It really doesn't rain in summertime out here, so this might be the last hurrah, who knows. But if you like the videos, please hit the like button. If you have not yet, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment, say hello. I'm gonna try and get back on the live stream things. It's just there's a bunch going on I'll have to talk to you guys about, but we'll see. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Then we'll drive back out the mountain.